Okay, so first of all, I want to show you this beautiful garden with the maze, but also I want to share something with you about the secret to answered prayer. And when you read 2 Chronicles chapter 1, actually, it speaks about that. It speaks of how Solomon, tried everything he could to make sure that his service is accepted to God. And then he actually sacrificed 1,000 offerings, and God came to him that night and asked the single question, what do you want me to do for you? It feels as though God is recognizing that the heart of Solomon at this point is in the right place. But his response now is our secret. He doesn't say, I want riches or money or any of the good stuff for himself. He actually asks for wisdom and knowledge, and even then, not for himself, but so that he can be a better person to guide God's people. So the secret to answered prayer then is that prayer that will be answered by God is the prayer that is selfless and not selfish. So when you pray, and you pray for others more and pray for the benefit of other people, God will answer those prayers, because you're not praying for yourself, but you're praying for other people, and you're being like God is, because God is love.